Alright, Andrew, here's your 1/24/26/27th scale Chevy Tahoe. This is a 2000, it says 2008, pretty much same body style up to early or late 2012, I believe, till they went to the newer body style. Again, Welly model. Not a fan of them. The detail and everything's really nice of them, but I just don't like the smaller size, harder to fit a battery and everything with. And anyway, I just never have liked the Welly cars. But they're pretty cool. Like I said, they do have pretty good detail to them. You sent this one to me to have flashing headlights and taillights put in, and you hinted for me to give you free red and blue lights because I had it so long. And of course, you know, I can't do things for free, because if I did, well, I wouldn't make money what I do. So anyway, with this one, let's go ahead and turn this on. There's a 9-volt battery located in the back. It's in between the seats and the rear lift gate. You can take the 3 screws out here, here, and here, and replace that. So it's not that difficult. Here is the power switch. Let's turn it on. Doing. And look, red and blue lights. You have your flashing headlights that you asked for. Put those in the high beam spot. Red fog lights and front visor lights. Cover those up. You'll see them a little bit better. My light's glaring down too from up top. So spinning on around. Of course, the front door is open on this. Spinning on around, you also have red and blue strobes on the rear visor and flashing taillights. No siren on this one. Of course, both front doors do open, and the hood still opens as well. Difficult to open. There we go. But it does still open. And the lift gate on these do not open, as you well know. So anyway, quick video, quick build for you. Appreciate it. Get this sent back to you. Matter of fact, you'll probably get the car before you see this video, because it's going to be a little bit of a surprise. Thanks again, Andrew.